Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio espresso machine, Rancilio grinder, and just going to show you a little test grind here. Only have one hand, but other hands with the camera. So you can see it's nice and fine. I think the customer will have to just recalibrate it a little bit more to their own machine and their coffee, but when I got it, it wouldn't even tighten down, so it was completely coarse. So I had to basically force it through the threads to get the threads to realign again. It looked like the customer cross-threaded the machine, and so it just took a lot of effort to get it to thread again. And now it seems to move pretty smoothly. So thank you for pairing with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.